If you have a 2014 Lexus IS and up, and you have 2 sets of wheels with TPMS, chances are you're going to need to reprogram the TPMS since the car is only able to store 1. Here's how you do it. So to begin with, you'll need the Autel Maxi TPMS, the TS501. When you have it on, you'll select TPMS, and press on the Y, select the make. You can use the arrows to go up and down, left and right. Press on the Y. Select the model. In this case, we're doing the IS350. Select the year. And now you're going to bring the machine to the front driver wheel and aim it at the TPMS sensor. And once it's aimed, press on the Wi-Fi icon. You'll see the check mark appear, and then it's going to tell you to move to the next wheel. So now we're going to the front passenger. Press the Wi-Fi icon, you get the check mark. Now you're going to the next wheel, which is the rear passenger. Press the Wi-Fi icon, you'll get the check mark again, and you're going to do the last wheel, which is the rear driver. Press the Wi-Fi icon and you'll get the check mark. Now you'll plug the cable into the car and onto the TS501. Select diagnostic, select relearn procedure, select OBD relearn. Confirm the values, you're going to select yes. Press yes to select OK. Press the N to exit out, and you're done.